Hey, so just doing another renovation update video. So basically I'm in the bedroom and these floors are now here. So that's all my things in the corner and all my things on the bed because I just got back from Vancouver. But yeah, it's all this wood flooring. So that's all done other than this edge. And then I guess all the cement in this hallway is going to be that same tile that's in the bathroom at some point. And I'm pretty sure this is all the same other than I got these plants. So that was exciting. And I think everything else is the same. I can't remember if the kitchen cupboards were off last time. I think they were. It might have inaccurately said that they were painted, but they're actually not. They're all just sort of in and amongst everything, and some things over here maybe got painted, but the frames, outsides of the cupboards and the doors still need to be painted and put back. And obviously all this floor is going to be the same wood as in the bedroom, and the hallway will just be that tile. So the kitchen as well is going to have the same wood flooring, and I don't think anything else has happened. All the painting over there got done. Yeah, so that's the update. Peace.